How to check your available bandwidth and space in your disk directory. If you are receiving a disk space usage warning or a write failed message and want to know which directory or folder is the culprit, then this video will help you. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. To check the disk usage, go to the Files section and click on the icon for disk usage. Here you can check the disk usage of files in the home directory, hidden subdirectory and MySQL. Total disk usage is also mentioned. Here you can order your directories by disk usage. You can also click on their name and see the disk usage by individual files and folders. Now, to check bandwidth usage, go back to the home page. In the Metrics section, click on the bandwidth icon. Here you can see the monthly bandwidth usage of your domain. If you need more disk space and bandwidth, ask your hosting provider for the additional costs. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you need any further support.